clouds, sun, rainbow, trees, frutas, beehive, bahay in our neighbor's house, bush, ants, and rain too. What?
Wala kang alagang dog? Where's your dog?
Oh yeah, I forgot something. Yum. That's a dog.
Wow.
Our neighbor's house have a cat.
Oh, sige. Drawing mo yung cat ng ano.
Neighbor's house?
Yes.
The neighbor's house have cat in here.
Ilan ang dog mo?
Is that law?
Ano pangalan ng dog mo?
Sai, Ocho, and Sai.
Dalawa ang saysay mo?
No, Sai, Ocho, and Ampun.
Where's your love?
Ikaw. Which